Tired of chunky smoothies and weak frozen drinks? Upgrade your blending game with the Ninja BN401 Nutri Pro Compact Personal Blender. This powerhouse packs a 1,000-watt motor that pulverizes ice into snow in seconds, creating perfectly smooth frozen drinks, creamy smoothies, and delicious sauces. Forget complicated settings. Two Auto IQ programs handle everything with the touch of a button, one for smoothies and another for crushed ice. Unlock the hidden nutrition in your fruits and vegetables with its nutrient extraction technology, blending even the parts you usually discard. The compact design fits perfectly on any countertop, and the included 24-ounce to-go cups mean you can blend and enjoy your creations on the go. Plus, it's easy to clean. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Get started today with the included 20-recipe inspiration guide. Ready to experience the difference? Visit our product page now and order your Ninja BN401 Nutri Pro Compact.